Good morning. Good morning, Ben. Ben, good morning.
Hello,
How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, so today I will share to you Unit 2A. Okay, so look at this. Please try to look at the picture and answer the questions below. Oh, above the picture. Sorry, above the picture.
So, what do I do?
Okay, so are you done? So do you judge a book by its cover?
Nah,
Do you judge a book by its cover? Like,
no,
do you know what this means, Ben? Like, if you see a person and then that person is really looks terrible, like he is poor or he looks really terrible, so will you judge that person because Okay, because of, or will you judge that person according to his look, Ben? That is what it means judging a book by its cover. Hey, sorry, Ben, the internet is not good. Today, I am in my hometown, Ben. So again, do you judge a book by its own cover? Like, will you judge a person by how he or she looks? What can you say about this?
Um,
Will you gonna judge a person by the way he or she looks or no? Ben, will you judge him?
no.
What do you think, Ben?
Hello? Uh, the computer has some bugs, so I think we're gonna change to the laptop, okay? Okay? Hello?
Okay, Ben, do you judge a
My
book? Okay,
computer,
Ben, it's very noisy.
I have something to say. The computer has an error, so we can change.
Okay, so do you judge a book by its cover? Example, you will see a person who looks terrible. Will you gonna judge him because of his looks? Yes or no? What do you think about this, Ben? Will you gonna judge a person because of his looks?
No.
No, of course. Look at the book covers. What kind of books are they? So you can see these are, okay, Bloodline Thriller. Okay, Legend of Banks, Fantasy, to capture her heart, romance, and The Dead of Winter, supernatural or horror. So these kind of books has different genre. So as you can see, we have thriller, fantasy, romance, and horror. Okay. Which would you like to read based on the cover? So based on the cover, Ben, which would you like to read? Okay, which one? Based on the cover, Ben, which one you would like to read?
I don't know.
Which one you would like to read? Which one?
I don't know. Like, I'm not
Okay, this
much.
thriller, the fantasy, or the romance?
I don't know. Sorry.
Okay, it's hard. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have here different vocabulary. Okay, first is we have evocative. Okay, the vocabulary now,
Evocative.
Ben, is quite hard, but it's really nice. Evocative, making you think of remember a strong image or feeling in a pleasant way. So you have that evocative feelings. Okay. Next is, okay. Next is the quality in something that makes it funny. The ability to laugh at things that are funny, humor, intriguing, very interesting because of being unusual or not having an obvious answer. Suspense, a feeling of worry or excitement help that you have when you feel that something is going to happen. There's a suspense. Realistic, representing things as they are in real life. Plot, it means the series of events that form the story of a novel, a play, a film. Okay, so here, look at the phrases, Ben. Okay, look at the phrases to describe aspect of a story. Okay, how important are these aspects of a story to you? Can you please give reasons for your opinions? Okay, example, give reasons. Okay, how important are these aspects of the story to you? Example, the characters. Characters is very important because they are the one who play the roles. Okay, next, what else? Can you please choose two?
Have a happy ending and wait. Do we have too much?
Okay, okay.
Again?
Skip this one. Okay, let us skip. Let's move this. Okay, this is a quiz. Complete the quiz with the correct form of some of the words below. So example for number one, short story. Okay, so you have to pick the literary forms in here. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So number one, who wrote a collection of short stories entitled The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes? It is, okay, next, the moral of the Aesop is fable. Okay. Which work of fantasy, correct, written in 2005, has become one of the most popular series in the century? Okay. Another is, which comic book hero has the nickname the Cape Crusader? And next, which of these novels was not written by Charles Dickens? And in which country? Okay. Myth of Theseus and Minotaur originate. And in the fairy tale Sleeping Beauty, how long does the princess sleep before the princess wakes her with a kiss? Okay. And which Shakespeare's play does line come from? Which of the following is not a form of poetry? Okay. Now, can you do the quiz, Ben? Do you have knowledge with this? Can you underline or encircle the word that correspond to its answer?
Maybe I just Google it. Yeah.
Okay, can you please encircle the answer?
Yeah.
You try only. If you think it's hard, it's okay. Just try. Okay, finish, Ben?
I'm doing it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Good to below.
Yeah, it's okay.
Good to
It's okay.
below,
If you
man.
think it's hard, no problem, Ben. Okay?
Just one more, Ricky. Okay.
Okay, so the moral here, the moral Aesop's fables, tortoise and the hare is very good. It's better to do things slowly and steadily than act quickly and carelessly. Okay, which work of fantasy written in 2025 has become one of the most popular TV series of the century? It is The Game of Thrones. Okay, have you seen this? Which comic book has the nickname Cape Crusader? It is Batman. Okay, I don't know about this. Actually, Ben, I don't know also. Okay, which of these novel was not written by Charles Dickens? Okay, it is The Pride and the Prejudice. Okay. In which country did the myth of Theseus and Minotaur originate? It is, of course, Greece, because this is a story. It's a Greek story. Okay, it's the story. It's about myth, and mostly myth story are from Greece. Okay, in the fairy tale Sleeping Beauty, how long does a princess sleep before the prince wakes her with a kiss? It is 100 years. Oh, very good. Which Shakespeare's play does this line come from? To be, not to be or not be, that is the question. It is from Hamlet. Oh, very good. Which of the following is not a form of poetry? It is a novel. Novel, of course, is not a poetry. Limerick and sonnet is a form of poetry. There are stanzas and there are lines in every stanza. But novel is different. It's really a story. Okay, very good. So here, you read the excerpts from the book reviews and complete the text with the words below. For example, written,
Can I skip this? Hello? Hello?
Yes. You find it
Can I
hard?
skip this?
Oh, hard?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we have vocabulary. We have the word breathtaking.
Breathtaking.
Breathtaking, it means very exciting or very impressive. Chilling, it means you're frightened. Compelling, that makes you pay attention to it because it is so interesting. Evocative, making you think or remember. Strong image. Next is humorous, funny, showing a sense of humor. Light-hearted, it means intended to be fun rather than too serious. Lightweight, not very serious or impressive. Okay, one.
Macabre.
Macabre, it means unpleasant and strange because connected with death and frightening things. So if you hear the word macabre, it means it's not good. It's not pleasant. Okay, nail biting, making you feel very excited. You keep on biting your nail. This one,
Poignant.
poignant. Again,
Poignant.
poignant. It's having a strong effect on your feelings, especially in the way that makes you feel sad. It's like poignant. Okay, predictable, behaving or happening in a way that you would expect and therefore boring. Okay, predictable. Okay, so seasonal, sensational, it means causing a great surprise. Okay, excitement or interest. Okay. Next is sentimental, connected with your emotions rather than reasons. The other, it means not showing a serious thought, feelings, etc. about something. Tedious, it means taking long. That's a tedious job. It means it will take you long to do the job. Thought-provoking questions, it means you have to think properly. You have to think a lot. Thought-provoking. Touching, it means causing your feeling or emotions. Okay. Unconvincing, it means not seeming true or real. Not making you believe that something is true. Next is, okay, convincing, that makes somebody believe that something is true. You convince. You let somebody believe that it is actually true. Okay? So please in here, Ben, we only have 2 minutes. Can you give me two positive, two negative adjectives? Okay, two. Positive. What are the two positive, Ben? Two positive adjective.
Like hard, lightweight,
Again, what is it?
light hard and lightweight.
Okay, so it could be. Negative is chilling. Okay, so many positive. Light-hearted. Okay. Lightweight. It means not so heavy. Okay, so these are the positive and these are the negative side of the book. So poignant, predictable, okay, slow, moving, tedious. These are negative. So everything that is states negative. And these are the positive. Everything in here is positive. Okay? So
Okay.
Ben, we only have 1 minute. So teacher will see you what? Tomorrow, right? Tomorrow at 8
Yeah.
p.m. Okay. So if we can make 2 classes tomorrow, Ben, we can have morning and evening. That's okay with me. Please message me if you want, okay?
Okay.
Yes. So we need to have 1 makeup class. Please tell me what when, okay? Thank you so much,
Okay.
Ben.
Bye.
Bye-bye.